three little pigs. They was walking through the forest, and they wanted to build a house. The first little piggy built his house out of sticks, and he built it, and he was having fun and had dinner. What did he have for dinner, Mommy?
Pizza.
And soup.
Oh, and soup?
Chicken.
And chicken?
And cinnamon. Knock, knock, knock. Let me in. Knock, knock, my kitchen. Then I'll huff. And now puff. And now blow your house down. I don't need your help.
Okay, then what happened?
The house fell down. So the first little pig ran to his brother's house and let me in. The big bad wolf blowed my house down. They was having fun and having a tea party. And what did they have for dinner?
Macaroni and cheese.
No, pizza.
Oh, they had pizza again?
And soup and chicken.
What was his house built out of?
Straw. And cinnamon. Knock, knock, knock. Let me in. Knock, my chin, chin, chin. Then I'll huff. And now puff. And now blow your house down. So, a wolf huff and puff, but the house fell down. So, two little wolves ran to
Two little what?
The two little pigs. The two little pigs ran into his brother's house. They was having fun and having a tea party, and they had pizza and chicken and soup, and they were so tired, and they rest, and in the morning they wanted that the big bad wolf was there on top of their house. And then the big bad wolf was running down and say, knock, 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 let me in. Knock, here's my trinity kitchen. Then I'll huff, and now puff, and now blow your house down. So, but it didn't fall down because it was made out of brick.
So are brick houses the best?
Yep.
What happened to the wolf?
He ran away and no one saw him again. The end.